I'm going to install this head unit. Should be fun. One thing I've learned through installing tons of stereos and electronics and stuff like that, before you put everything back together, plug it in, make sure it actually works. Let's see. Some podcast going on.
Please just go ahead and RSVP at voxmediaevents.com. I managed to get the head unit installed. I haven't been able to drive it much because I took it around the block a little bit and it had some pretty obvious front wheel bearing noise. So I ordered a wheel bearing for it. It's a press-in one. So I took it over to the tire shop and it's over there right now.